Hello po.
Sige, sige.
Sir, today Junmar won his ninth MVP. Alos doble na nung nakuha nung apat.
More than double.
Yes, what do you think about his latest accomplishment?
Well, definitely I'm not surprised. I was not surprised. In fact, if you remember from the very beginning when he first won his first MVP, yun na ang sinabi ko that he will definitely win a truckload of it. No? And it's coming to fore. It's coming true. No? So, ang pinagbilin ko lang naman sa kanya was to make sure that he's in the best of shape, avoid injuries. That was the only factor that I saw that will hinder him from getting all these awards, no? Injuries. No? So, isa doon yung weight, control ng weight niya. Because as you get older, bibigay agad yung tuhod, no? And all that.
Sir, minsan sa social media, parang inano kayo, who's the greatest, ikaw daw or si Junmar? What do you think na pinagkukumpara kayo?
Let's leave that to the basketball fans to argue and what have you. No? It's up to them. They know their basketball.
Kung tingin mo, MVP pa o mas marami pa?
As I said, as long as hindi siya ma-injured and it keeps his... How old is he now?
Late 30s.
Kaya. I won my last MVP about that age. Also, I was 35, pure food. San Miguel the following year. 36, 35, 36. My fourth MVP. So, kaya pa.
Pero tingin mo malalagpasan mo yung 19th championship?
Well, I hope he does. I hope he makes it, no? Para, siyempre, you know, being coming from Cebu, the Cebu product of the Cebu League also, we're all proud of him.
Sir, mga Cebuano na
well, I guess because of the madalas kami maglaro doon when I was in college during summer, minsan sa isang araw 3 beses kami naglalaro isa sa umaga, isa sa hapon at sa gabi pag may piyesta lalaro pa rin kami, you know? So yung street games, competition, and that's what really it's all about, no? It's all about competition. That's what improves athletes in general.
Sir, what could you say about Junmar's demeanor na parang kahit na all of his achievements, him staying...
Well, alam ko na yan, kilala ko na yan, mga first year, second year college pa lang sa Cebu yan. Ganyan na talaga, napakabait na bata, no? Walang ka-ere-ere, walang kayabang-yabang. So, I'm not surprised na umabot siya ng ganito. No? And he works very hard.
Kung halimbawa nagkasabay kayo ni Junmar, hypothetically, how would you defend him?
Hindi pwede sekreto, no? Mabubulgar ninyo pag hindi ko pwede. Just like what I remembered when we played in 1974, tagal na no? In the World Basketball Championships sa Puerto Rico, kami ni Naning Mariano ang sentro. 6'4" kami, siya 6'4" din yata si Naning, no? Ang pinakamaliit na kalaban namin na sentro, 6'8", karamihan 6'10", 6'11". So sabi na, ang plano namin ni Naning, Ning, the only way mapigilan natin ang konti ito is pisilin natin na lang ang mga bayag nito, kalaban natin. Excuse my language. So, but really, yeah, it's hard to defend him really, Junmar, as far as I'm concerned. He has improved tremendously through the years.
Sir, you played 20 years sa PBA. What's your advice kay Junmar to kahit pa paano maabot niya yung 2 decades siguro, longevity?
Ang secret talaga is keeping his weight down. You know? never mind sa practice, talagang masipag naman siya sa practice eh. Get himself in the best of shape all the time, stay away from injuries talaga, and control ng weight niya, because as you get older, the more running and jumping that he does, siyempre that will take a toll on his knees, no? And that's what most centers who lumalaki ang weight, tumataas ang weight, ang nagkakaproblema ang tuhod, no?